Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about the ketogenic diet, which is a topic of great interest to all of us. The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet plan that has gained popularity in recent times. But what exactly is it, and is it suitable for everyone? Let's find out together. The goal of the ketogenic diet is to put the body into ketosis, which means switching the energy source from glucose to fat. This can accelerate weight loss, increase energy levels, and improve some health conditions. However, the keto diet may not be suitable for everyone. People with health conditions such as diabetes and kidney disease should definitely consult their doctors. In short, the keto diet can be a beneficial diet plan when followed correctly. However, like any diet, the keto diet should be done under the supervision of a specialist. In my next video, I'll be telling you everything you need to know before starting the keto diet. Don't forget to subscribe.